everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whoever's watching this, I, Mari, will be featuring one of our amazing virtual assistants here in the Remote Philippines Jobs. Let's learn more about her story, her experience working here in the company. Please welcome Miss Trisha. Hi, Trisha. How are you doing? Hello, hello.
Hello everyone, my name is Trisha from Taguig City, Manila.
Ayan. Ano yung previous work mo, Trisha, for applying here in RPJ?
Actually, this is my first work since I am a fresh graduate when I joined here in RPJ.
Wow. So, yun, tumatanggap talaga ang RPJ, no? Kahit walang experience. As in, literal na ito talaga yung unang trabaho mo, working remotely.
Actually, this is my first ever job and first ever interview din.
Wow ha, grabe yun. First interview, first job, pasok agad. Parang brainy to si Trisha, guys. Parang nahihiyan ako mag-interview. Okay. Ilang months ka na working here, Trisha?
For 5 months now.
I see. And Trisha is part of the recruitment team then, guys. So I'm so happy that I was able to finally meet you. So, okay. So let's start now with the Q&A portion. So Trisha, I just want to know, like, your journey here in RPJ. Like, how would you describe your journey here in one sentence that would really inspire someone watching this video? And what would it be? Why?
Journey here is nothing but fun and exciting.
Wow, parang ang ganda or ang marinig yung fun. And yung work mo parang
Yes.
daming task mo but you did it really, really well. Really organized talaga si Trisha, guys. Very organized. And yeah, before joining here, what was your biggest struggle? And ano din yung goal mo in life after graduating?
Actually, ang goal ko talaga is magkaroon ng remote work. It's even align siya sa tinapos kong course or dun sa hobbies na gusto ko, which is social media management. And then when I came across dun sa job posting ng RPJ, then binasa ko yung job description, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ay gusto ko to kasi may work-life balance. So hindi lang siya parang nakapokus sa company. Pag gusto nakapokus siya sa growth ng mga ng team or na VAs.
Yun. And so far, na-achieve naman. Totoo naman yun. Wow.
Yeah.
Yun yung maganda, di ba? Ang bihira lang yung tumatanggap ng mga no experience. And I'm so happy na you found the job post and now you're here working with us. So yun. And ano pala yung natapos mo, Trisha?
Yeah, I am a graduate of computer engineering course, so align talaga ako sa technology.
Ayan, yun pala, understandable. Kaya pala, sobrang organized mo when it comes to everything that sa'yo. And then, siguro this is like your training ground, no? Pwede mo itong ilagay sa resume mo kasi sobrang related lang talaga sa course mo. Yun. So, this is a good start for you. So, in the near future, or are you planning to work here like for long term pa?
Yeah, of course. I am not planning to shift company. Since sobrang gaan lang ng atmosphere dito. So parang hindi ako nag-work.
Wow, parang hindi nakaka-burnout, no? Kung ganun
Yeah.
yung work environment natin. And grabe naman, yung parang wala ka ng plano, transition or i-end yung contract here. Kasi yun nga, so super easy lang, easy to work with, hindi kami na micromanage, tapos yung work environment, so good talaga, di ba? And kahit nga si Trisha, guys, first work experience niya to, but she found her family here, di ba? Yun. And in regards with your journey here, Trisha, or before you apply here, what made you take a chance to apply? Pagkakita mo sa job post, ano yung parang nag-guts na napapasabi ka, okay, I will click the apply button or apply to this company?
So actually, nung binasa ko talaga yung job post, parang sobrang direct to the point yung roles ng isang VA doon. Parang wala siya hindi na roles na parang lahat ibibigay sa'yo. So parang tapos at the end, there, parang napagtato, may work-life balance talaga. Yung parang hindi siya yung mababurn out ka. And sabi ko naman, kaya ko naman lahat ng rules, lahat ng task na nakalagay dun sa rules. So, I hit the apply button.
But so far, worth it ba? Worth it ba, Trisha?
Yes, super. Isa napapasabi ako, buti na lang tinry ko. Kasi, di ba, pagka parang first time mo, parang nakalagay pa doon, no experience required. So sabi ko, parang binibigyan nito yung lahat. Parang for all tong job post na to. So yun, nag-take up and super worth it siya.
Wow. Paano mo nasasabi na, like, worth it siya, Trisha?
Napasok ako dito sa RPJ, sobrang dami ko na natutunan. Like, yung skills na meron ako before is parang na-triple na siya ngayon. So parang nagkaroon ako ng chance ma-explore yung mga tools na dati inaaral ko lang. So ngayon, gamit ko na siya sa everyday work.
Wow. Ang ganda nun na meron kang like dagdag skills na nakukuha working here in RPJ. So, how was this job working here change your life both personally and financially?
So, di ba, nung fresh graduate ako, sobrang madependent pa ako sa parents, sa binibigay ng family. Pero ngayon, yung nag-work na ako here, so parang hindi na ako nahingi sa family ko. Kasi syempre, di ba, wala na tayong kakailanganin na transportation, so hindi na nila need i-shoulder pa yon. So, ayun. And then personally, syempre, mas nag-grow ako as a person. Like, mas nadagdagan yung skills ko and mas nahasa ako sa remote job.
Yun yung maganda, di ba? Kasi sa mahal na gasolina ngayon, mahal yung pamasahe. We are really fortunate na meron tayong work from work or remote work, di ba? And I'm so happy na you take the chance kasi na-enjoy mo yung journey mo working here in RPJ. Be honest with me, Trisha, before you start or before applying or your journey from the start here in RPJ, what were your doubts before?
Naging doubts ko lang doon is, baka hindi rin ako matanggap since kahit nakalagay doon na no experience required, di ba? Parang, paano kapag yung kasabayan ko is parang sobrang dami niya ng experience? So parang, ayun lang yung naging doubt ko na, baka kahit no experience required is, baka mas piliin nila yung mas may experience na hindi naman pala, na hindi sila nakabase doon sa experience ng isang tao.
I know, kasi parang sometimes, di ba, nakaka-pressure din na ganon. Pero it's up to us din kung paano i-handle or kung paano natin siya i-reflect sa ating sarili, kung gawin natin siyang inspiration or parang frustration sa atin. Pero talaga, in our age ngayon, maraming kabataan na pressure kung ano man yung mga nangyayari sa paligid. And with us na gustong makahanap ng ganitong work, nakaka-pressure na wala tayong mga skills, ganito, ganyan. And I'm so happy na RPJ help you to build more skills and build more confidence. And I know this will help you as well na in the future. Diba? In the future. Pero alam ko hindi mo na gustong mag-stop dito or mag-quit dito sa RPJ. So yun, we're looking forward na, diba, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, andito pa rin tayo as long as andito pa yung RPJ.
Yes.
And then, so yun nga, sabi mo, madami kang skills na nag-gain dito sa RPJ with mga tools na ginamit mo with your task. Na noon hindi mo masyadong gamay, pero ngayon, okay, you can say na, okay, I'm good with this now, I'm expert with this now. Ano yun? Ano yung mga tools na yun?
Pinakagamit na gamit ko talaga is Google Spreadsheet. Parang hindi makukumpleto yung araw ko na hindi ko yung binubuksan yung spreadsheet. And para na kaming body-body. So, nagamay ko na siya. And then, of course, Slack workspace. Kasi, diba, kung may office, ayun yung pinaka-office natin mga remote workers. Di ba naman tayo nakakapag-communicate with each other? So, yun, gamit yung Slack. And then, yung Gmail, yeah. And then, calendar.
Alam ko talaga na yun yung mga tools na ginamit ni Trisha. If I'm going to rate you with your skills, pag-arrange ng tracker, ng spreadsheet, napapasabi, wow, si Trisha, parang head na sa akin. Parang nasa isip ko pala si Trisha, ayun na, tapos na siya, ginawa na niya. Ayun na pala. So, that's really a good, parang good skill, no? Na alam ko, para sa iba, madali lang sa kanila, or ganun nga. Pero, sa atin na starting pa lang sa ganung mga skills, it's really a parang big jump. And magandang opportunity na yun para sa atin. Parang meron na tayong growth pag ganun. Kasi di ba, every day or learning is a lifelong process naman. Araw-araw meron tayong matututunan. And I'm so happy na you're able to parang gain more skills and confidence here working at RPJ. And madadagdagan pa din yan. Sinabi mo kanina na you want to stay here or parang wala kang reason to leave RPJ. What keeps you motivated to stay here and grow here?
Nakita ko kasi yung company is continuously growing. So, parang siyang amusement park ba na parang sa lang ng ticket mo pero madami ka lang may experience na roles or tasks. Maaaring nasa recruiting team ako ngayon. And then the next time, malay mo natin, di ba? Parang magbago yung role ko and then may experience ko ulit yung panibagong task and then matututo ako ng panibago ulit. So, bakit pa ako mag-change if I can just explore it here in the company? So, ayun yung nag-motivate sa akin.
I'm happy no na you're that kind of person. Kasi yung iba-iba yung task. But, same with you, gusto ko yung meron bago kasi parang nakakabagot din kung parang paulit-ulit na yung task. As long as meron lang talagang training and then sabihan ka lang talaga ahead of time, it's okay. If kung kaya, go. Yun nga, yung maganda here. And I agree with you, no, na you see it as a positive way na kahit isang company lang, maraming skills na tayong matutunan dito. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, na maaari natin gamitin in the future. And ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo working aside from like meron tayong mga skills na magiging, and aside pa doon, ano yung pinaka talaga na nagustuhan mo sa...
Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga is yung healthy working environment. So parang parang na-shock pa nga ako nung una kasi sobrang bait pala talaga ng mga ng mentor, then yung boss din, mababait. And then, lalo na akong na-shock to, ko na yung mga VAs. So, may mga VAs na ang babait din, napaka-helpful nila, gano'n. So, ayun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko here sa company. Sobrang light lang yung vibe.
Or tayo mga agents, parang nahihiya tayo na hindi sumagot sa mga VA natin. Kasi yung owner nga, yung boss nga natin, sumasagot sila agad-agad.
Yeah.
So yun din siguro yung parang nakakapagbigay ng light ating work environment because of our bosses. And also because of, parang na-inspire na lang tayo sa kanila. Na ganun.
Yeah.
Light lang sila katrabaho, so dapat tayo rin. So, yun. And bakit mo masasabi, Trisha, na this is a good opportunity to others, especially like you na kakagraduate?
Unang-una, beginner-friendly siya. And then hands-on yung management, yung yung mga trainer, sobrang hands-on nila magturo. And hindi sila madamot sa knowledge na meron sila, sa skills na meron sila. Ituturo nila sa'yo lahat. And then, good opportunity siya because nakafocus siya sa group ng VA. Actually, pati doon sa output-based ng VA. So parang ang gusto lang nila is mag-improve yung VA, syempre, para ma-help din yung company.
No, and I agree with you, Trisha. Maganda yun, no, na sinabi mo na, yun nga, hindi sila madamot sa knowledge na meron sila. And sobrang helpful yun para sa atin or sa ibang VA na kakastart pa lang with this career path. And that's what I'm happy with our boss as well. Kasi yun nga, hindi sila madamot sa knowledge. Araw-araw, kapag meron kang hindi alam, tuturuan ka talaga nila. Sinabi mo, okay, maganda yung hiring maganda yung work environment, yung mga boss, easy lang yung trabaho. Pero paano naman yung hiring process? Baka sobrang din yung hiring process, sobrang hirap din makapasok. So for you, ano yung masasabi mo in regards with the hiring process?
Sobrang smooth niya lang. Parang, di ba, pag sasagutan mo yung application form, and then kapag naman nakapasa ka, is kukontakin ka na nila agad, and then ibibigay nila yung buong details, sundan mo lang, and sobrang sundan kasi parang detailed naman yung instruction and easy to follow. So kapag sinunod mo naman yun, and then nagbuka ng interview, and then tuloy-tuloy na siya, and then sobrang bilis lang din ng process. Parang the next day may result na, then the next day training mo na, and on board ka na, start mo na ng work.
Yun na, contract signing na, start ka na agad-agad. With your experience, Trisha, ilang days or weeks yung process mo bago ka nakapasok?
Bali, 4 days siya kasi naka-2 interview ako, which is yung yung sa PA. And then, parang the next day, after yung interview is nasendan na ako ng result, and then na-add na din ako sa Slack. So, all in all, 4 days.
Wow, ang dali ng 4 days. Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi umaabot ng like a month, diba?
Yeah.
Or yung right response lang takes a weeks pa or days pa. But siguro lahat tayo dumadaan sa 2 interview. Kasi yun din yung maganda here with RPJ, diba? Hindi nila tayo like pinabayaan. Kung if ever man hindi tayo nakapasa with the first one na ino-offer nila, like meron silang ibibigay sa'yo. As long as nagawa mo lang yung interview, maganda lang yung interview mo, smooth lang talaga. Ayan, kapag na-invite ka na sa Slack, guys, wag na kayong mag-leave. Kasi meron talaga silang ibibigay sa atin. Or sa inyo.
Yeah.
Meron talagang ibibigay na task. Ayun naman, gusto kong like makilala ka pa. So meron tayong gagawin. Sorry with my Tagalog sometimes kasi I'm a Bisaya girly.
Yeah.
Bisaya kasi ako.
Okay.
So that's why parang yung yung accent ko is
Yeah.
yun. Try hard mag-Tagalog. And let's start with the fast talk. What do you prefer? Is it a laptop or second monitor?
Laptop.
Of course, di ba? Kasi para kahit saan, pwedeng dalhin. Yan. Yan yung mga gusto natin kahit saan-saan na lang nagtatanong. Next, we have here, morning shift or night shift?
Morning shift.
Yon. And then, the next one, is it coffee, tea, or energy drink before going to work?
Definitely coffee.
Wow, coffee lover ka?
Yeah.
Hindi ka nininervyos? Kasi ako, nininervyos ako kapag nasobrahan sa kape.
Mm,
Kung ka ganon,
Hindi naman na. Baka pag tumagal-tagal.
parang kape lang yung dugo ni tumadaloy sa so yun. So, is it music, silence, or with background noise?
Music.
Wow, so gusto ko yun. Kasi non-voice, di ba? Dapat sabayan lang. Karaoke, while
Yeah.
drinking, ganon.
Parang hindi ka lang nag-iisa.
Sorry can't relate kasi yung work ko palaging ganito, nagsasalita. So, dapat talaga walang ingay. Gusto ko pa naman sana yun. So, one last question I have here. Regarding your work desk natin, kung ano yung work situation or desk situation ni Trisha. Is it messy or perfectly clean?
Perfectly clean.
Wow! So, ayan guys, I'm so sorry. I'm not like Trisha na super, organized and perfectly clean. Sorry, I'm not like that. But, ayun, productive ako sa ganitong paraan. Sure. Yung mga tanong ko, Trisha, thank you so much for answering the fast talk and getting to know you more. And one last question I have here. If ever, friend mo ako, isipin mo na lang na tropa-tropa tayo. Okay? So, what if nagtatanong ako sa'yo, tapos super hesitant akong mag-apply pa? Sasabihin ko sa'yo, Trisha, friend, paano kaya, gusto ko mag-apply pero makakapasa kaya ako? Ano ba yung ano yung mabibigay mo na tip sa akin?
Una-una, dapat try ka. Una-una, dapat mag-apply ka muna. I mean, don't hesitate. Maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo kasi yung parang sa task naman dito or yung application naman dito or interview is hindi naman siya parang sa skills na naka-base, kundi dapat mas kilala mo yung sarili mo, alam mo kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. So, dapat mag-try ka lang kasi di ba, lahat naman ng tao parang gusto nilang mag-apply pero wala silang lakas ng loob na sumubok talaga. Parang gusto lang nila yung idea na magkaka-work sila, ganun. Pero hindi naman nila tinatry talaga. So, kailangan mo na mag-take step ka.
True. I agree with you, Trisha. Kasi dumaan din ako sa face na gano'n. Gusto ko lang parang, okay, apply. Pero kapag meron ng interview, hindi na ako dumadalo. Hindi na, parang gano'n. So, yeah, take that advice of Trisha, guys, that if parang sinimulan mo na, tapusin mo na yun. Parang gano'n. And Trisha, thank you for inspiring other individuals, no? Or especially yung mga gusto makahanap pa ng trabaho, especially yung mga kakagraduate lang, na hirap pa rin na makahanap ng trabaho. Like, ano lang, step by step lang tayo, guys. Start with RPJ. Kasi dito talaga, yun yung maganda, or hindi kayo hinahanapan ng work experience. Although, yung interview process, hindi siya, madali lang siya, yung putyo-putyo na madali. Meron din talagang masya-challenge ka. Ganon. But eventually, guys, it will be all worth it. Kahit ano man yung work na gusto nyo tahakin, it will be all worth it. Gusto lang namin sabihin na here in RPJ, hindi siya nag-vouch talaga that the work environment, the people here, yun talaga yung parang nagbibigay ng lakas para more and more pa yung trabaho. And yun nga, this is newbie friendly, ganon. Kung natakot mag-risk, kahit ano pa man agency, ano pa man work na gusto nyo tahakin, yun nga, simulan nyo lang. And it will be all worth. So yeah. Thank you so much, Trisha, for inspiring not just the viewers, but me as well. So, yung sabi mo kanina na kahit isa lang yung company natin, marami tayong pwedeng gain dito. Kahit isa lang yung company natin. And I'm so happy to do. And yeah, thank you so much for sharing your journey, like a group journey here in RPJ, and for giving or be an inspiration to everyone else. We really love hearing more stories like yours here in RPJ. And you guys, if you want to hear more stories from our amazing virtual assistants here or from our amazing team here in RPJ, please don't forget to LSSC. Like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. And who knows, di ba? Ngayon, nanonood lang kayo, but in the future or soon, kayo na yung ma-interview ko for testimonials. So yun. Thank you so much, Trisha, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!
Thank you too. Bye!
Bye, Trisha!